Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to Jutsu hand signs. We'll start by covering the foundational elements of hand sign formation. Focus on the exact positioning of your fingers and thumbs, as accuracy is key to successful Jutsu. Consistent practice of these basic movements will significantly enhance your ability to perform signs quickly and correctly. Let's begin with the first essential sign. Now, let's delve into some of the most frequently used Jutsu hand signs. The tiger sign involves interlocking your index and middle fingers with your other fingers curled. For the ox sign, extend your index finger and thumb, keeping the rest of your fingers closed. Finally, the bird sign is formed by clasping your hands together with both thumbs pointing upwards. Practice these until they feel natural. To truly master Jutsu hand signs, focus on smooth transitions between each movement. Developing muscle memory is crucial. This allows you to execute signs instinctively without needing to consciously think about each finger placement. Try practicing short sequences of signs, gradually increasing your speed while maintaining precision. This approach will help you perform complex Jutsu with greater efficiency and impact. Consistent practice is your best friend for mastering Jutsu hand signs. Try to dedicate at least 15 minutes each day to running through various sequences. Using a mirror can be incredibly helpful to observe and correct your finger placement and overall form. Remember, precision and speed come with dedication. For more great content and other deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check out the description below. Keep practicing, and you'll see amazing progress.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.